Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and today in QuickBooks Point of Sale we are going to talk to you about how to customize your hang tag. And a hang tag, if you didn't know, is just a little cardboard placard that has a hole in it and you can shoot it with a little gun right into your clothing item or what have you, and so it just hangs there. Instead of being a sticker label, it's a hang tag. You see these on at every department store in every piece of clothing. And now we are going to customize it so that it's special for your store and only your store, right? All right, I'm gonna get into that in a second. Real quick, go ahead and click the link down below to jump into our Facebook group. Join our Facebook group. It's an insiders group for QuickBooks Point of Sale where you can get answers from people like me and other point of sale users. Go ahead and put any errors you're having or anything you want to learn about or troubleshooting or teaching or what have you in our QuickBooks Point of Sale Facebook group. I'll see you there. And don't forget to subscribe to us right now on the YouTube channel so that you can see all the new wonderful videos whenever they come out, and you can learn everything about point of sale. How about that? All right, let's go on the file menu. We are going to the tools submenu and the print designer. Let's customize that hang tag. On the document type, we're going to choose inventory tags. And now we are going to find the Intuit hang tag. Here it is. But you are not going to modify this one because this is the default template. Really, you want to make a copy so that you always have that one to go back to in case you screw up your copy. So here's the new copy. We're going to zoom in as far as we can go. And here are all the default fields. If you're like me, you're probably going to get rid of a lot of these because you're not even using them anyway. So this is the department. This is the vendor code. These are so that you can easily identify either how to reorder your product or how to where to put it back in the store, something like that. I don't really use these on tags much. Some people might. You might think that's pretty useful. Now we also have size and color. If you are using styles in your garments, then these will be pretty useful. You can certainly keep those there for your garment styles, or you can get rid of them. This is the name of the product. I'm going to put that up, well, not quite all the way at the top. You can move these around. You can move them with your mouse, or you can move them with your arrow keys if they're highlighted. Makes it a little easier if you want to get real intricate with the arrow keys. And I like to stretch this as far as it can go so that you have a lot of room in case you have a long name. I think I'm gonna go ahead and bump up the name here a little bit. We'll do 11, and I'm also gonna center it and hit OK. So there we got baseball team shirt, which is not going to be the name of our product. Now I don't know, maybe you have a description here. This is the description field. You can keep it there if you want. I'm going to get rid of it. MSRP, we have another video on that. If you want to cross out the MSRP and make people feel like they're getting a super deal, go ahead and do that. I like my price tags to be like uncluttered and really nice looking. So I think I'm just going to stick with the the item name. I'm going to make the barcode a little bigger, and that's so that and that is just so your barcode scanner can pick it up very easily. And I'm going to spread this out to be about the same size as the barcode. All right. I'm going to double click on the barcode. You want to make sure that it's the 2OF5IL one. By default, this one is not, but I will tell you that this type of code is more easily picked up by your scanner gun. So go ahead and switch that. And now, this is the worst part of the price tag by default. If you ask me, it's the price with the box around it. I don't know if the box is supposed to gather attention to it or something like that, but I just really don't like it. I think the box is tacky. You can go to the border tab here, uncheck that. Now we have no box. We're gonna go to change font. You might want to make it kind of bold, maybe 18. We'll see how big that looks. I think we could go bigger. Let's go for 22. Oh yeah. Now you want to keep in mind that you want your price to be able to accommodate, you know, 3-digit prices in case something's over $100. So we're gonna spread it extra wide here. It's gonna center itself, which is nice. Now, you probably want to test this price tag out with some prices over $100 just to see if it'll fit. I'm gonna move down this, and I'm gonna, let's see, I'm gonna pull this as wide as it'll go so it just automatically centers itself all together. And personally, we're gonna go a little bigger. Let's see, 12, sure. Now, what I want is my store name right here on it. And so you can do that if you want a static field, and by that I mean a word or something that's the same on every single price tag, like it's a label. Go to text label here under the add menu, and we're gonna have, let's see, this is gonna be Pete Boutique, something like that. I'm gonna choose like a really snazzy font. We'll see what it looks like here as this Pete Boutique. Oh, that's just wonderful. Oh, make it a little bigger. And I'm gonna bring that up here. Come on now. All right, I definitely want that centered as well. Looks like we can make it even bigger. The Pete Boutique, where you get your stuff, because it's awesome. All right, I think I'm starting to like the look of this. I think we're pretty good. That's kind of how you can customize your hang tag. I will also mention that on the add menu you have one called data field or group of fields. If you choose that, this will give you dynamic fields, and what I'm talking about there is like the item description, the type, the department, all these different things that you can put on the tag that for every single item it'll be different. Vendor name or code might be useful if you're getting down to the end and you want to order more, you know exactly which vendor to order that from. Size we talked about before. Out of town florist. Okay, so that's a custom field that I must have put in when I was doing a different demo. Department codes, cost codes. We do have a video about cost code. That's a very interesting subject. And then you also can put a couple of barcodes on here as well, UPC and alternate lookup. And what we have here is item number, so that's not listed anymore. So you can put any of those fields on here that you like according to your specifications with your store. And then one last thing is sometimes when things overlap, it won't let them and it pushes them out. So under the preferences area here, you may want to uncheck snap overlapping objects to their edges. That'll allow you to have a little bit of overlapping like I do there right now. So that's that. I'm gonna hit save. I'm going to call this Pete Boutique Hang Tag. Okay, and I'm gonna close it. It's gonna ask me if I wanna make this tag to be the default print template, and I'm gonna say yes. And I'm gonna close. We're gonna head to the item list. I'm gonna choose a few pieces of clothing so that I can make hang tags for them. Alrighty. That's pretty good. I'm gonna print tags. I'm gonna do one of each. I am not doing jewelry tags, so I'm gonna uncheck that. That was from something else. And we're gonna do the ones I just selected. So we hit print. Oh, I like that a lot. That looks way better than the originals. So let's see if I can allow you to see some of these. So there we go. Pete's Boutique, we got the shirts and the nightgown. Nice big price on there. Depending on your specification, you can make this however you want. Thanks for coming along with me on this price tag adventure template customization video. My name's Peter with BlackRock Business. I hope you have yourself a great day. Bye.